Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get out the Christmas decorations. This is my whole bin. This is all we got. So we're gonna get it out. Alright, I'm just gonna get some stuff out, see what we got. So I got my wrapping paper from last year. Plenty of that. And then I got a bunch of discount ornaments because I work at a Hallmark store. Got tons of ornaments. I got some, how cute those are. Got 2 of those. I don't know when we're gonna get a tree because it's supposed to rain every day, but we'll figure it out. Roan, pajamas. I bought like discount pajamas before Roan was even here. Those are gonna fit perfect. We have a garland. We have the oranges I made last year. A cookies and milk tray for Santa. Gift bags. Some bells. Mugs from Dylan's mom. We've got our red candles for our candlestick. Lights. Christmas tree lights. And these are all Dylan's ornaments from when he was a kid. Some garland. Some dish towels, some bells, and the Night Before Christmas book. What's this? Be gentle. Okay, I'm missing the garland, which is basically like the only thing I wanted to really put up today since we're not gonna do the Christmas tree yet. The shed. The shed is disaster. Yikes, 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 yikes. We just can't find a way for this to work. I'm really nervous now because I feel like we might have donated the bag of garland by accident. And I will be very sad. That's all I wanted. I'm literally so upset. We got rid of the one thing I wanted to do. Darn it.
When your soul is lonely, sad and blue, ain't got no loving shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away.
I ended up donating my garland by accident, which sucked, so I went out to build my own. And what I'm going to do first is just cut up the pine trees and make little bundles and tie them off with floral wire. Once you have these little bundles, you can really make anything. So you can use a wreath form and build a wreath out of these. You could make one big bundle and make a different type of door hanger. So I went ahead and made both types, and I added a little red ribbon and a bell to it. You could really make these your own in so many different ways. You can use these bundles inside and put them on shelving, outside of picture frames and things like that to make almost like a faux garland. Up next on my crafting list was paper lunch bag stars. So I've seen these all over Instagram and I wanted to try them out. So I got 8 paper lunch bags and my hot glue gun out, and I just made a T on the paper bag with the flap side down, and I just kept layering the bags one on top of each other until all 8 were glued together. So then all you need to do is cut out your design. I found a bunch of different ones on Pinterest. I found that the more simple the design, the cuter it actually turned out. Then to seal the 2 bags at the end, some people have told me to use paper clips so that you can fold them back up for next year. I use little glue dots, so hopefully I'll be able to pull these apart. And that's all there is to it. You open up your star, and I hung ours using fishing line and command strips. I hung them above the counter so that we wouldn't hit our head on them, and I love how they turned out. These were so simple to make and super, super cheap, which I love. And then with the scraps, I noticed that some of them looked like Christmas trees. So I decided that I wanted to make a little garland out of them. So I cut out Christmas tree shape and I simply just glued them all together with a hot glue gun on a piece of string. And you can see how these look at the end. It turned out really cute also. And then for our last craft, I did some popcorn garland. This was really fun because we don't have a microwave, so this was our first time making popcorn on the stove. And I just used fishing string again and a needle and strung them all together. I put oranges every couple of inches to add a little something to them. And I love how this turned out. Also very cheap, very simple, but this was pretty time consuming, I'm gonna be honest. So all in all, I'm really happy with how our Christmas decorations turned out. I've never been this crafty during Christmas, and I had a lot of fun making all of these different things. I'm sorry I couldn't get the video out to you guys sooner, but next year I'm going to start right after Halloween so I can share more crafts and DIYs with you all. Get ready because our next video will be getting our Christmas tree, and that was an adventure.